Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Nida Siddiqui and what I am working on it is Resharper. What is Resharper? Resharper is a code productivity plugin for Visual Studios. It helps us with code quality analysis like error detection and quick fixes. It supports C Sharp, VB.NET, XML, ASP.NET, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and help us with building scripts. It helps us with navigation, code assistance, code generation, and unit test integration. How Resharper works. It integrates into Visual Studio. Resharper integrates into Visual Studio and add many new features like unit test and enhance the existing features like IntelliSense. Features provided by Resharpers are it analyzes code quality, it eliminates error at code smells, it safely changes the code base, it helps us with advanced navigation, code editing helpers, check for coding standards. The Resharper on your system, what you need is Visual Studio already installed in your system and then you have to download the Resharper. If you want to download the Resharper, what you have to do is just open the browser and type Resharper 2019 and here's the site from JetBrains Resharper. You just have to click it, and then from there you can just download it. You will get a 30 days trial, otherwise you have to buy it from the site, which costs something, I don't know, I didn't check. So you can just download the trial for now, and it's just that simple. It will be downloaded. After that, what you have to do is double click on the executable file which you have downloaded so you can install. As the installation has started, you can see that what we want is these first two options only, the Resharper 2019.1.1 and Resharper for C++. So I'm going to install these two and skip the rest for now because I don't need them. Here we're going to accept the license and press the button for next. Is select, you have to click on the button next and select install, and it will be installed in a few minutes. After the installation, what you have to do is just exit the installer. That's it. Resharper provide us with on-the-fly code quality analysis. 4 categories of analysis result are error, warnings, suggestions, and hints. Marker bar is a sidebar to the right side of the text editor. Status incubator shows the overall status of our current file. Here you can see I have a Visual Studio project. This is the marker bar, and here you can see the different highlighters. The red is the error, and there's suggestions and error hints for me. So to remove the error, what I have to do is control and period, and here on the top of here's the status incubator, which shows it is giving us suggestions for time being. With everything else, Resharper also gives us the option to analyze the whole solution. For analyzing the whole solution, this is the icon, which is red right now because the code has errors. So what we have to do is double click this icon. So it will give us the solution. Resharper can locate all the issues in the current project or the whole solution. Resharper can also help us in generating the code for our project. You can generate the code with the help of if you alt plus insert. That will give you a drop down menu with the options of implement and override members, generate properties, generate type constructors, generate delegating members, generate equality remember. As you can see, after typing all my member functions, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Alt plus Insert. So it's going to give me this drop down menu. So I'm going to select constructor, and then it's giving me this dialog box. So this dialog box, I'm going to select name and age. For me, I wanted to make it a constructor of it, so it's going to generate my code for the constructor. It is that easy. Similar to that, what else we can do here is I'm going to again press Alt plus Insert, and here's the drop down menu. You can see all the options here, and now I want to create the getter and setter. So when I select the getter and setter, so it gives me the dialog box, and here I'm going to select name and age again and select the finish. So here I've got my getter and setter generated by the Resharper. So it's just that simple. Again I'm going to press Alt plus Insert, and from the drop down menu this time I'm going to select equality members, and this time I'm going to select all three of them, all three the options, and finish. And then here you can see I've got equal to operator and not equal to operator overloaded by itself. It is that simple. And here you can see there's an error. You can see the error on person. So when I press Control plus period, and there's a drop down menu, and it's like the first option, it removes the error. So that was all about code issues and code generation, which is main feature of Resharper we are interested in. Another feature provided by Resharper is refactor this. Resharper provides 40 plus solution wide refactoring. Refactor this, the shortcut Control plus Shift plus R. Code cleanup. Code cleanup combine customizable code formatting in any scope with a set of other useful actions, including removing code redundancy, optimizing namespace, import directives, recording type members, and migrating C# 3.0 to 4.0 to 5.0. Resharper also provides unit testing. Resharper recognizes and test unit and other test framework and let you run or debug them in Visual Studio. You can run or debug a single unit test, all test in a test class, all test in a project, all test in a solution. And Resharper provides two tools windows, Unit Test Explorer and Unit Test Sessions to view, run and manage unit test. Okay guys, that was all from my side. Stay blessed, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.